Hey guys, welcome back to Mix. Today I will be showing you a super fast before school hairstyle on Lillian. So I am making a part going straight back on the side of Lillian's head and then another part going from that part down to her ear. So there will be like a box on the top side of her head. And this is not the cutest style of all time, but this is a very fast, very easy, protective style that I can do on Lillian's hair before going out the door in the mornings. So as usual, I always add moisture to Lillian's hair when I style it. I'm adding some water and then some As I Am leave-in conditioner, running it through her hair, combing it to make sure there are no tangles, and then brushing it in to a ponytail and securing it with an elastic. And now for the back section, I am just going to do the same thing. Make sure there are no tangles left. Add some moisture, brush it into a ponytail, and secure that with another elastic. And I know I've mentioned this in some of my other videos, but I love to style Lillian's hair in quick and easy protective styles. 1, it keeps her hair from getting tangled. 2, it's low manipulation. So if I can keep her hair in a style like this, it helps me not have to manipulate her hair a lot, which helps hair growth. And 3, it keeps her hair out of her face and she can play and enjoy her day at school. So now I'm going to twist the ends of these ponytails. So I'm going to put it in, I've heard it called two-strand that's hard to say, 2-strand twists, and also rope twists. You could braid this, or you could actually just leave the ponytails loose if you'd like. And I should add that I am using black little rubber bands at the ends of these twists, but not at the top where I actually secure the ponytail, because I do believe that there is a chance that they can cause some breakage. And now, just to be cute, I'm putting some clear knocker balls at the bottom of the ponytails. It's not necessary, but I do think it adds a nice touch. So this is my super easy 5-minute protective style for before school. I hope you guys like it. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again soon.